Hi guys, here we have a little Fiat Punto, Grande Punto 1.4 dynamic, 2006 on the 06 plate, one owner from new, 228,000 miles, selling as spares or repairs, cheap little car, needs MOT in April, no advisory on its last MOT, seems to drive okay, but as you can appreciate it is just being sold as it is. You'll be asked to take it away on a trailer as it's not been tested for road worthiness. Metallic blue, pretty straight on the body, alloy wheels, driver's seat could do with a wash, CD player, aircon hasn't been checked, multifunction steering wheel. My name's Mike Wells. I can be contacted on 0777 5644 628. Please call before travelling. I'm not always on site. And please bear in mind it is being sold as spares or repairs. Thanks for looking.